Okay, there's one of the original bias ply spares. We don't have a build sheet on this car, so that's probably what it came with. It was probably white lines. Although that might be like a Sears tire. I'm not sure, but anyway, we got that done. The trunk is finished off. Came out nice. It sprayed out real beautiful. I got all the wires back to the original color from the factory and with cloth tape on it. So they look pretty stock. Got all the bezels done, and I've got a silver paint pen. I'm going to crawl up in there and I'm going to actually hit those lines as silver like they would be from the factory. That'll be the last thing, and then we'll put the spare back in. And that's not the correct jack, but it looks official. But you know what? Hey, it is what we got, and I can't find any online, and I have a feeling that if you do find one, you're not going to want to pony up for that son of a gun. Anyway, here's the front tray with the hood spring on it. All reworked. Got the factory shroud, waiting for the Glen Ray radiator, which should be in tomorrow or Monday. Anyway, we got the correct voltage regulator, got these bolts taken care of, correct everything. Again, not concourse, but just a very tidy cleanup on everything, and got the period correct battery topper. It's the fake topper, standard fare. And anyway, got the wiper motor looking pretty official. But anyway, yeah, a friend of mine has a original Superbird, so he was kind of letting me know how this routing goes. The vacuum lines route with these little clips on the top, and then the regular wires come down here with regular clips. And then still waiting for this little piece here. That's a Superbird specific wire strap. And anyway, the hood came out nice, very presentable. Again, this is not a concourse car. You're not going to be hanging out with Jay Leno this weekend. But when you go to a local show, it'll be nice. And the car runs and drives beautifully. Power disc brakes. Anyway, once we get done in there, we'll move into the interior. You can see we got a problem with the laminate there. We got a new one. I want to strip all that old stuff out of there, man, because it's all lifting, and it just, I don't know, it was just a shitty job. So, anyway, we'll get everything nailed down. Beautiful steering wheel, real good condition, and the front buckets are pretty. All the seating is nice. Carpet looks real new. But we do have some issues with these. These don't look really hot. Neither do the interiors. So we're going to take the door panels off, and here we go, here they are. Here's the new door handles, new things, and in the trunk, I put that mat in prematurely. I'm going to yank all the old stuff out, and we're going to put in, yep, here we go. We got all the nice little decals in here. The other set of decals, like the antifreeze sticker and stuff like that, is coming in the mail. And Roadrunner horn sticker, and of course tire pressure decal. So we have all that, and should work out good. It'll look out nice, very official looking, very beautiful, and we'll go with that. This is Gauze Garage with the Super Chicken, the 70 Plymouth Superbird.